Now that I've got my final composition sketched out, I'm ready to turn it into a transfer. I'm using a thick, dark water-based marker, like this Crayola. These are great because they create bold, expressive lines. They transfer onto the clay really, really well. Watch how I'm tracing over my lines. The thick marker really emphasizes the areas where the shapes overlap. Don't be afraid to go bold. The more marker you put on, the more it's going to transfer onto the clay properly. The more overlapping you include, the more your picture is going to be interesting and have a strong sense of depth. Next, we're going to talk a little bit about balance. Balance doesn't mean perfect symmetry. It's about distributing the visual weight in a way that feels harmonious and pleasing to the eye. We can achieve balance through the placement of shapes, their size, and eventually, when we glaze, their color. Even though we're using one color here, as we're doing our carving, we can use the density of our lines to give it different visual weights. Once you've traced over the entire picture, you'll be ready to transfer it onto your ceramic piece. I usually like to make a photocopy of it afterwards, just in case I mess up with my transfer, if it gets too soggy or ruined, or even if I want to replicate the picture.